Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Eric Diamond, and you know as they go for this channel. Anytime we say I come across any updates, we will say yes, it will benefit us as a street hustlers. I like to bring and come here so that I will share it with my fellow hustlers. So in this video today, what I'm about to show you is how to make a fake video call with your client. So what you just have to do for you to get this is for you to prepare yourself and watch this video right from this beginning until the very end, so that what you won't miss any part of the video. And guys, all I just want you to do for me is for you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon, so that you will be notified each time I upload a video just like this. And guys, I promise you, every blessed day I will bring in a new update to you guys. So just stick to this channel and I will give you the top updates right here on the channel. Thank you.
Alpha, I see him. Who is this guy? Alpha, you sure about me? Oh. Alright, so you want to learn how to make a fake video call. I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to make a fake video call in this video. Now, what are the things you need to make a fake video call? The first thing you're going to need is a webcam. For the purpose of this video, I'm using a Logitech webcam. You can get it from the link in the description of this video. After getting the Logitech webcam, you're just going to open up the Logitech webcam and bring out the webcam. This is a 720p webcam. This webcam also comes with a microphone so that people can hear you clearly. And if you need this laptop, you can check the link in the description of this video and you can purchase it with a 30% discount. Alright guys, let's finish up with this tutorial. Now, I'm just going to connect it to my gaming laptop. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm just going to connect it to my laptop. So after connecting the webcam to my laptop, you can see the webcam, right? So this C side by the left side of the webcam is meant to be showing light when I start to make a fake video call. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly how to make a fake video call. Please note, this video is only for educational purposes only. Now, what's the first thing you have to understand if you want to make a fake video call on your laptop? The first thing you have to know is that your laptop itself needs power. No matter how powerful or how the laptop is, it needs power to power the GPU of the laptop. If not, it won't work. Now, my laptop uses a 350 watt charger to power this laptop in full performance. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make a fake video call. So the first thing I'm going to do is this. I'm just going to take this side of my laptop. I'm just going to plug it straight in. So after plugging it in, I'm just going to carry this side of my laptop and I'm going to go behind my laptop and I'm going to plug it behind my laptop. As soon as I plug it, it's going to show me an indicator, and under the screen it's going to be showing some light. And all the softwares you are going to need are in the description of this video. After downloading the software from the description, I'm just going to open up the software. It's called Roopcam. So you can see that there are three options here: start portable NVIDIA, start portable CPU, and start portable AMD. Now I'm going to explain each and every one of them to you. First of all, start portable NVIDIA is for when you have an NVIDIA laptop that has an NVIDIA GPU. So you're going to use start portable NVIDIA. Now, because this my laptop has NVIDIA graphics and it has a Core i9 CPU, it can run this task. So for me, I'm going to use start portable NVIDIA. But if you don't have an NVIDIA laptop, you are going to use the start portable CPU option. So this is for those that don't have NVIDIA laptops and they are using the Intel graphics system. Then the third one is for those that are using AMD graphics cards. So if you don't know AMD is the opposite of NVIDIA. So if you are not using an NVIDIA graphics card, your own is AMD, you can use Start Portable AMD. But I already told you guys I'm using an NVIDIA laptop, so I'm going to use Start Portable NVIDIA. So to use Start Portable NVIDIA, all you just have to do is to double click it like this. So I'm just going to double click it, and after double clicking it, it's going to show you this option. Then you're just going to click on Run, and when you click on Run, it's going to show you this interface. Now this is a Russian interface. I also have better softwares with better completion for fake video calls. Now I'm just going to click on this button over here, and I'm going to select the picture I want to use and make my fake video call. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm just going to take my mouse over to this area here, and I'm going to click it once. After doing that, you can see that my webcam is showing this green light, indicating that my webcam is already working. So I'm going to show you guys a live demo of the fake video call. All right guys, so you guys can see the demo, right? You can see how I'm using the Deepfake software in real time. Okay, mind you, this laptop I'm running it on is a very strong laptop, so you know your laptop has to be of some specifications to get this level of performance. Now if you need the software or you need this laptop, check the link in the description, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to make a fake video call on WhatsApp. Alright guys, let's continue with this tutorial. First of all, what do you even need to download NDI 5 tools? The link in the description. Okay, you can go there and download it for free. So after downloading NDI 5 tools, close your browser, and then while your Roopcam is running, okay, the Roopcam you got from the link in the description, you can see that my own Roopcam is running. I'm just going to open OBS Studio. So once I open OBS Studio, it may be confusing to you, but let me explain. You want to add Roopcam, you're just going to click on plus, then you're going to click on window capture, then you're going to click on OK. So once you click on OK, you're going to change this area, you're going to change it to Python exe preview, then you're going to click on OK. So after clicking on that OK, because I already have mine, I'm going to cancel this. But after clicking on that OK, it's going to show you like this. The reason why my own is like this is because my webcam is on the bed, so as I'm shaking it around, is moving. So I've dropped my webcam. I'm just showing you guys how I'm going to do it on WhatsApp. So first thing you have to do is this. You're just going to position your camera. Okay, I'm going to position my camera. So after positioning your camera, you're just going to go to this section here, tools. Then you're going to go to NDI output settings. Okay, then you're now going to enable something. Okay, you're going to enable main output. Your main output may be like this. You're going to enable it. Okay, then you're going to click on OK. So once you click on OK, you're going to come here and click start virtual camera. Then the next thing you're going to do is this. You're going to come to your Windows button. You're going to click on your Windows button. Then you're going to open the NDI 5 tools that you downloaded. The next thing you're now going to do after that is that you're going to now install NDI 6 tools. So once I click on enter, okay, I'm going to click on run. So once I click on run, okay, it's going to be loading up. Then I'm going to click on I agree. Then I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to click on next. So it's going to start installing NDI 6 tools. I'm installing NDI 6 tools because the latest is no longer NDI 5 tools. The latest is now NDI 6 tools. So it's now installing on my PC. So I'm going to wait and watch it install. Alright guys, so now that NDI 6 tools has installed, the next thing you're going to do is this. You're just going to double click on this webcam, okay? Then you're going to see some things over here, okay? They're going to pop up over here. So now you're just going to click on settings. You're going to click on the name of your laptop. Then you're going to click on OBS, okay? Settings, the name of your laptop, OBS. So it could be your name, it could be your laptop name, anyhow you put it, that is your username. So settings, the name of your laptop, OBS, you know, settings, the name of your laptop, OBS. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is this. I want to make the video call on WhatsApp. So I'm just going to open WhatsApp. So after opening WhatsApp, I'm going to prank the person I want to prank with the video call. Alpha, I see him.
Who is this guy?
Alpha, you sharp, Abi? Oh,
That's not how you are.
oh, boy. Oh, it's still sharp.
Sharp.
Yeah. No, Alana. I will let you know once that guy don't come online. I will let you know.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Alright, guys. So you guys saw me do the video call on WhatsApp. You saw me make the call. You saw everything. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, please subscribe, like. It's not easy. I bought a camera, okay, brand new camera to show you guys. Okay, guys, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.